What is up, guys? Gentleman here. I'm attempting the spicy challenge. If you don't know what the spicy challenge is, I got spicy noodle. That is spicy noodles. Next, spicy rice. Next is spicy tuna. Up to the next level, we got the ghost pepper here in this picture box. So you see this red thing here? See this? See this? That is ghost pepper, guys. I'm just gonna eat it. Let's go. Alright. I'm not ready for this. I don't have water or anything. This is spicy tuna, aka century tuna, hot and spicy. You can buy it at grocery store. Ooh, yeah. I don't want to do this, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Walang katulad ng sarap at saya. Manginasal, sarap ng kain Pinoy. Naamoy mo na ba ang glowing na bango ng cherry blossom?
I like chicken.
May bango ng cherry blossom petals at fabric conditioner. Subukan ang bango.
Give me water, give me water.
Surf cherry blossom. 5 pesos lang. Buong araw busy ka. Pag uwi, may pasobra pa. The Pasobra Award goes to Daddy! Para sa'yo, Ribisco Crackers! Tatlong malalaking crackers na may pasobra pang isa. Ribisco Crackers, may pasobra dahil special ka. All day pagod na. Pag uwi, may pasobra pa. The Pasobra Award goes to Kuya! Kaya para sa'yo, Ribisco Crackers! Tatlong malalaking crackers na may pasobra pang isa. Ribisco Crackers, may pasobra dahil special ka.
It's easy to forget that our scalp is part of our skin. And just like our skin, our scalp also needs more than just cleansing if we
It's
want
spicy.
long-lasting dental protection. Unlike regular shampoos, new Head & Shoulders with Tri-Action Formula not only cleanses your gentle away,
This is the spicy challenge, guys.
moisturizes your
Better
scalp.
make sure.
Keep you 100% danger-free forever. I recommend Head & Shoulders.
Asim kili kasi.
Ang More Silicone Mix, may tamang sarap asim na galing sa tunay na sampalo.
Ow.
More, iwan ko mo ang sarap.
Ow.
Wait, saan?
Kind of like piranha biting my throat and tongue.
I know. Wow. I mean, ginagawa kita. Wow.
Uy, dahil mo pala talaga mag-bake.
Oh. So, sakto lang yung boss na cupcakes. Hindi kinigil na katigon. Oh.
Alam mo, hindi pa lang bigla ako.
I'm sweating and I'm crying. I don't know what to do, guys. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks so much for watching.
Pero mas swerte na laki na.
I'm gonna post a video later, the aftermath of me. See you guys next time. Peace out. Here's the dish.